Hello friends, are you getting such error? A setting needs your review? Then here is the fix. Let's go back and now you have to find a solution. So first of all, go to Instagram and then click on your profile icon and then click here on three lines. Now tap on account center. Now you have to click on your information and permissions, this option, and then you have to tap on your activity of meta technologies. Tap on it. Now you have to tap on manage future activity, and then you have to tap on connect future activity. We will connect information that business and organizations send us about your interaction with them. So you have to tap on this, confirm, and then again tap on manage future activity, go back, and now you have to tap on activity from other businesses. Let's tap on it. Now you have to tap on allow us to use this activity to show you content that's more relevant. Let's tap on it, confirm, and now here you are good to go. So I hope you like the video, and if you find this video suitable for you and this video solved your problem, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.